lovely viewers, welcome back to Kyidom Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare TUO ZAAFI with TUO ZAAFI stew and Ayoyo. This food originates from the northern part of Ghana and is very popular in the greater Okra region. Without wasting much time, let's get into business. No, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button and also like. Afterwards, you can leave down your comments and suggestions. Let's go. So for our TUO ZAAFI stew, we'll be using onions, garlic, ginger, Scotch bonnet. To our meat, some cow skin, goat skin, beef, and goat tripes. We'll use oil, Maggi, salt, stock season, monko powder, shrimp powder, and normal omonko, yacht leaf, or ayoyo, which I bought from Afro shop. Dawadawa to taste. We first turn on our gas. We pour our meats into our saucepan. I've already washed them, so it's okay. Then we chop some onions. So after chopping it, we just turn it direct into our saucepan. We add some little amount of water to the meat to boil. Add your Maggi. We'll also add a little amount of salt, our stock season, and leave it for 30 minutes. So we'll cut the rest. Some water. Our blended ginger, garlic, onions, and coconut to our stew. Allow it to steam for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I just cut my tomato paste and add it to. Wow! So now we add our tomato paste to it and allow it to steam. So this time we are going to fry our palm oil with onions, then add it to our stew, and then we leave it for a while and we'll be done with the TUO ZAAFI stew. We cut our yacht leaf, pour it into our silver. So now we beat our ladle and make sure there is no clump in it. So now that I'm done, I will add my water little by little. So add the water to your preferred consistency. Add a little spoon of Dawadawa. Afterwards, we add our monko, our fish powder, just like this. Perfect. Just put it on your fire. Now that our soup is done, we'll bring it off fire. Then begin with our TUO ZAAFI. Yeah. So I'll cover it halfway, turn off the gas to begin with my soup. So with the TUO ZAAFI, I'll be using a ladle of plain corn flour. Then 2 spoons of Konkonte. 1, 2. Then I will thoroughly mix them together. Add some water and mix it with our hands. to have the consistency which is favorable. Now that I have my desired consistency, I'll place it on the fire and immediately start to mix. So that is it, we are done. And subscribe to my channel and also leave down your comments. Thank you very much. Bye.